Hello and welcome to our new video. To create a Gantt chart in Excel, follow these steps. Select the cells containing the start dates for your tasks. Right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Number tab, select General and click OK. Select the range of data including the task names, start dates, and duration, total days. Go to the Insert tab and click on the column icon. Choose your preferred chart type, stacked bar chart, and click OK. Right-click on the Start Date axis, horizontal axis, in your chart, and choose Format Axis. In the Axis Options pane, under Axis Type, select Date Axis. Then, go to the Number section, and choose the desired date format. Click on the bars representing the start dates. These are typically the lower sections of the bars. Click on the Format tab, then choose Shape Fill, and select No Fill. For the same bars, go to Shape Outline and select No Line. Right-click on the Date axis again and choose Format Axis. Set your minimum and maximum date values to fit your project timeline. Adjust the major and minor units to set the intervals between dates. Click on the task names, vertical axis labels. Go to the Home tab, and in the Alignment group, click on Text Direction and choose Rotate all text 270 degrees to make the labels read vertically or angle counterclockwise for a slight tilt. Your Gantt chart is now ready and can visually represent your project timeline. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.